Today we are unveiling technology that will blow your minds. These top 15 latest techs, from self-thinking delivery bots to cranes that operate on their own, would revolutionize the future and change our perspective on things we once thought impossible. The Ascento Pro. Last year, Swiss company Ascento Robotics presented the Ascento 2, a self-balancing mobile robot that combines both the versatility of legs and the speed of wheels. Now the company has unveiled the Ascento Pro, an upgraded version of the versatile mobile robot that brings even more features to the table. It has 2 legs, each with a motorized wheel and a tensional spring in the knees, allowing it to roll over small obstacles more. The robot can bend its knees to get even smaller and can walk on any surface, climb stairs, jump up and forward, and hop over obstacles. Ascento Pro has a top speed of up to 12 km/h compared to its predecessor's 8 km/h. While the Ascento 2 rolls for about 1.5 hours on a single charge of the battery, the Pro can go for a whopping 8 hours. The rechargeable battery can be removed and swapped for a freshly charged one if necessary. The 2-wheeled machine is fully capable, using LiDAR, onboard cameras, and LED headlights to find its way around. The designers have made the robot customizable, so users can equip it with additional sensors, cameras, and even arms. Further, Ascento also offers a simplistic mechanical design, making it very easy to replace components. The Ascento Pro can be used for a variety of applications, including inspection, surveillance, urban deliveries, and robotics research. The Ascento Guard provides the best of both worlds with the resilience, reliability, and repeatability of technical solutions while being as flexible as human guards. The Ascento Guard can detect unwanted people or bad actors, verify perimeter integrity, and check that doors and windows are closed. It can also record property lights, identify floods and fires, and control parking lots. The Sergo Charger. Sego Charger is a foldable origami solar panel that slides easily in backpacks and large pockets to give travelers portable PV power on the go. Origami becomes the main design of the solar panel to guarantee that it is easy to bring it anywhere, patched together with durable and visible hinges to add to the portable PV's sturdiness. The foldable origami solar panel can charge personal devices and travel equipment, including GPS and radio transmitters. Travelers just plug their devices directly into the solar panel to keep their electronics powered up. Sego Charger brings in a 25-watt power rating with monocrystalline solar cells to capture more solar power, thanks to their grid-line electrical contacts on the cell's rear. The foldable origami solar power also comes with a tripod to easily set it up almost anywhere, even on uneven paths. Since it is designed for travelers, the Sego Charger is dubbed to withstand any weather conditions, from the harsh gust of winds to constant rainfall, to fully realize all-time powered-up outdoor and off-grid trips. Part of the design of the foldable origami Sego Charger relies on the robust joints, which offer portable PV stability and flexibility. Through the hinges, travelers can fold and unfold it thousands of times, since these joints distribute weight evenly and provide a solid connection between the components. The Apple Vision Pro. While the Apple Vision Pro is definitely a headset, Apple does not use that word when referring to it. Instead, Apple calls it a spatial computer because of its ability to blend digital content with the physical world. Apple Vision Pro is a mixed reality headset that displays augmented reality content overlaid on the world around you and immersive, entirely virtual content. But it's worth noting that the headset is not see-through. Everything you see is digital. For augmented reality content that does not make your surroundings disappear, Apple uses cameras that map out what's in front of you, translating that into a digital image augmented by virtual elements. For a virtual reality experience, Apple shuts off those cameras and can make it seem like you are completely isolated from what's going on around you, allowing you to focus solely on what's being displayed on the headset screens. This shift between the real and the immersive can be controlled with an on-device digital crown. Design-wise, Apple Vision Pro is not unlike a pair of ski goggles, featuring a singular piece of laminated glass for the front that melds into an aluminum alloy frame. A soft, fitted light seal attaches magnetically to the frame and conforms to your face to block out light. Two audio straps with built-in speakers are positioned at the sides of the headset, delivering spatial audio that blends what you're hearing on the headset with what's going on in the real world. The audio straps connect to a 3D knitted headband that holds the Vision Pro in place. Apple designed it to be breathable, cushiony, and stretchy for comfort, and a fit dial ensures the headset fits tight against your head. Apple plans to offer light seals and headbands in multiple sizes, and these components are swappable. Inside the frame, there are two micro OLED displays that deliver over 4K resolution to each eye for a total of 23 million pixels. There's also an external display called EyeSight that projects an image of your eyes, so people can tell whether you're using the headset in an immersive mode or if you can see what's going on around you. For glasses wearers, there are custom prescription Zeiss optical inserts that can be attached magnetically to the headset's lenses. There are no controllers for Apple Vision Pro, with the headset instead controlled by eye tracking, hand gestures, and voice commands. An app can be navigated to and highlighted by looking at it and then opened with a tap of the fingers. Scrolling is done with a simple flick of the fingers. More than a dozen cameras and sensors in Apple Vision Pro map out the world around you, keeping track of your hand and eye movements. Optic ID, which scans your iris with infrared lights and cameras, is used for authentication. Each person has a unique iris pattern, and Optic ID is akin to Face ID and Touch ID. It can be used for unlocking the device, making purchases, and as a password replacement. The Spacruzzi. Spacruzzi can't decide whether the company wants to make a boat, a hot tub, or a fireplace. So it combines the three and comes up with a floating hot tub that warms up through the gas-powered furnace inside the water vehicle. It's also an electric watercraft that can cruise for up to 4 to 5 hours on a full charge. Spacruzzi seems to have changed the definition of luxurious partying on the sea. Cold in the sea while warm in the tub, Spacruzzi's patent-pending fireplace stove keeps the hot tub boat away from freezing episodes. The company builds an internal heating, circulation, and filtration system that boils the water in the hot tub boat at a right warm temperature throughout the ride. There's no need for the party animals to chuck in logs of wood into the fireplace, as Spacruzzi's stove can regulate its own temperature, letting the passengers just enjoy the view, drinks, and music, if they've brought a waterproof speaker with them. The internal filtration system, which is a combination of UV and saltwater cleansing, also heats and cleans water as it circulates in the tub, while the hot tub boat is dockside. The H-Aero. The H-Aero LTA system is a UAV powered by wind and solar energy, designed for Earth observation, research, and communication applications. At first glance, H-Aero looks like a large elliptical balloon. In fact, it's a combination of 3 separate flight concepts: a balloon, helicopter, and airplane, drawing from each of their unique advantages to create a lightweight aircraft that delivers speed, endurance, and agility. Made from fiber composites, canvas, and high-density foils, H-Aero is defined by its ultra-lightweight construction. It is recognized as one of the smallest payload-carrying balloons, capable of bearing all manner of equipment, targeting a weight of up to 10 kilograms. The Jedzi. Jedzi's delivery drones are able to complete what would normally be a 185-minute-long delivery in only 34 minutes. The drones are on average 2.8x faster than ambulances and provide a cost savings of more than 50% compared to the current expenses for the Ministry of Health in Malawi. With a patented loading and landing station, the Jedzi drone is the world's first and only decentralized solution in the drone delivery market, able to land directly at a building as well as take off from it. This technology allows for deliveries to be made directly to a window or balcony, a considerable advantage over other drone delivery services, which either drop packages or require an open space to land. Jedzi delivers crucial, life-saving supplies such as blood, medicines, and vaccines. The company's first drone office in Malawi has been active since last year, with its team of 7 building and operating Jedzi drones independently. The Wheelbot. Combining off-the-shelf components with 3D printing, the Wheelbot is a symmetric reaction wheel unicycle that can jump onto its wheels from any initial position. With non-holonomic and under-actuated dynamics, as well as two coupled unstable degrees of freedom, the Wheelbot provides a challenging platform for non-linear and data-driven control research. Like the wheels of unicycles, the Wheelbot has a rolling wheel that prevents it from toppling while moving longitudinally. In contrast with unicycles, however, the robot also integrates a reaction wheel that prevents it from toppling in the lateral direction. The MightyFly. The MF-100 is an autonomous hybrid electric VTOL cargo experimental drone that has a maximum payload of 100 pounds, an estimated cruise speed of 150 mph, and a range of 600 miles. The company's first model is the MF-100 aircraft. The designation MF-100 stands for MightyFly 100, referring to the 100-pound payload capacity. The nose of the aircraft opens to one side, allowing the cargo to be loaded and unloaded at the front of the aircraft. The aircraft can hold about 96 small parcel packages. The aircraft has 8 dedicated VTOL propellers, 1 pusher propeller, a main fuselage, 1 main high wing, a V-tail, and fixed skid landing gear. The range of the aircraft allows air cargo to be delivered from San Francisco to Los Angeles, for example, as well as deliveries from urban to rural areas. Targeting business-to-business use cases, MightyFly is using hubs in cities, suburbs, and rural areas to simplify the steps involved in transporting goods and reduce the length of the last-mile logistics. The climbing crane. Liftra recently addressed the challenges of wind turbine construction and revolutionized the installation of wind turbines in the process. They are developing the LT-1500 crane that climbs the wind turbine tower as it is being assembled instead of sitting beside it. Once mounted to the base of the wind turbine tower, the bottom of the crane grabs onto a flange of one tower section and lifts the next section into place. Then, a hoist block is lifted up and attaches to the higher section, where it pulls the crane up the tower to attach to the higher flange. In a sequence of such grabbing and hoisting moves, an entire wind turbine, including the tower, nacelle, rotor, and blades, can be constructed. The benefits of the LT-1500 design are numerous, from reducing equipment, energy, and transport costs to improving the safety of work crews. Using a standard crane that's big enough to build a wind turbine 393 feet or higher takes between 40 and 50 loads for transport and requires longer assembly times at greater heights. Unlike a standard crane, the LT-1500 is compact enough to be transported by 8 trucks between sites and assembled on the ground, cutting assembly time while substantially reducing the overall site footprint. For this unique application to work, the crane-to-tower interface had to be exceptionally strong. Silence, S01, electric motorcycle. Say hello to one of the best-selling electric motorcycles in all of Europe, the Silence S01. This Spanish-made light EV is an electric motorcycle that gets over 80-plus miles of driving range. The 9-kilowatt max output electric motor that drives this bike is cleverly housed within the 14-inch rear wheel, leaving more room for storage. It also comes with a mobile app that enables riders to check their charging status, review ride history, and track the current location of their motorcycle. Another great feature is the trolley-style removable battery, which quickly releases, sprouts wheels and a handle, and is ready for transport to the nearest power outlet. The scooter's dual offering of high battery capacity and significant underseat storage is an uncommon combination in electric motorcycles. Nemo's Garden. Nemo's Garden represents an innovative concept of underwater agriculture, characterized by using biospheres or pods submerged on the ocean floor. Designed to leverage the unique conditions under the sea, these pods provide a sustainable and eco-friendly method of agriculture. The pods function as greenhouses, encapsulating a controlled environment ideal for plant growth. The high humidity levels limit the need for fresh water, effectively saving this precious resource. Moreover, the abundance of carbon dioxide further accelerates plant growth. The pods are tethered to the ocean floor and are connected to the surface via tubes, allowing for the exchange of air and facilitating monitoring and maintenance. They can be used to grow a wide variety of plants, from basil and lettuce to strawberries and beans. Nemo's Garden underwater pods represent an innovative agricultural solution. Their design and implementation could prove to be a game changer for future food production, especially in regions where traditional farming is challenging due to unfavorable climate conditions or a lack of arable land. Thanks for joining us on this thrilling journey into the world of tomorrow. From cutting-edge technology to mind-boggling innovations, the future is filled with endless possibilities. If you're as excited about the future as we are, remember to hit that like button, subscribe for more futuristic content, and ring the notification bell to stay ahead of the curve. Let's keep dreaming big and embracing the endless wonder that the future holds. Until next time, stay curious and stay inspired.